Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Before we start the unboxing, I just want to say thanks to all people who subscribe to my channel. As you can see today, we have the brand new monitor from Xiaomi, the MI Desktop Monitor 1C, a very slim and beautiful design. Okay guys, let's start the proper unboxing. Okay, so here we have the stand. Here we have some a screwdriver, manuals and the HDMI cable. Here is the neck of the monitor. And of course the power adapter. Now let's check the monitor. Wow, it's very light and slim. First time when I see such a slim design. Let's start to install it. Back of the monitor we have a joystick button, the power adapter, an HDMI port and a VGA port. Yes, you can see how slim is the design. Very beautiful and nice. Okay guys, I'll show now the menu of the monitor. Here we have the brightness adjustment, the contrast, the color temperature. We have standard, cool, warm, custom. We have as well the smart modes, standard mode, eco mode, game mode, movie mode, low blue light mode. We have the inputs and of course the settings. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching my video and please don't forget to click the subscribe button down in the right corner. See you on the next one.